Apple's next flagship is already creating noise across the tech world, even though its launch is still months away. The iPhone 18 Pro Max leaks are not just normal yearly upgrades anymore. Most people are focusing on design, but Apple is reportedly refining the build instead of reinventing it. The frame is expected to shift into a smoother aluminum structure that blends more cleanly into the back glass. This gives the phone a tighter, more seamless feel in the hand. The change is also linked to better heat control after Apple moved away from titanium. Now the front brings a noticeable change. The dynamic island is reportedly shrinking by nearly 35%, which instantly makes the display feel more open on the large 6.9-inch screen. It does not sound massive on paper, but in real use, it could make scrolling, gaming, and video playback feel far more immersive. At the same time, the rear camera bump is getting bigger, and that is not random. It connects directly to new internal camera hardware that Apple is preparing this year. Under the hood, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to run on the A20 Pro chip built on a 2nm processor. This is not just about speed boosts. The focus is efficiency, heat management, and battery savings, which could change real-world performance in a major way. Camera upgrades are another major shift. Apple is rumored to introduce a variable aperture system on the main lens, allowing the camera to physically adjust light intake depending on the environment. This brings it closer to professional camera behavior. Alongside this, a new 48-megapixel stacked sensor is expected, improving low-light shots and creating more natural depth in portraits. Battery performance is also getting serious attention. Digital Chat Station on Weibo suggests that it could range from 5,100 to 5,200 mAh. The efficiency gains from the A20 Pro chip, combined with software optimization, could push real usage close to 2 full days on a single charge. All these upgrades point toward a more refined and powerful iPhone experience rather than a loud redesign. The focus is on efficiency, smarter cameras, and smoother performance, instead of just visual changes. If the leaks are correct, the iPhone 18 Pro Max will be unveiled at Apple's September launch event. It is expected to start at around $1,199, keeping it in the premium flagship range. That's everything for now. And if all of this becomes reality, Apple might be delivering one of its most balanced and powerful iPhones yet. Goodbye and take care until the next update drops.